Hello everyone and welcome back to EduHub AI. Today we're focusing on Google Docs, a powerful tool for both personal and collaborative writing. We'll cover everything from basic to advanced collaboration features that make Google Docs indispensable for students, professionals, educators, and teams. Before we begin, make sure to have a Google account. If you don't have one yet, head over to gmail.com to create one, as all the features we cover today require it. Let's dive into how to access Google Docs and start creating your first document. To access Google Docs, you can either go to Drive, google.com, and click New button here, and then choose Google Docs. Okay, so here we have Google Docs created. Alternatively, you can go to docs.google.com directly. Once you are here, creating a document is as simple as clicking this blank document. Once your document is open, you will see a clean and easy to use interface that we will explore in a moment. Let's start with the basics, formatting your text to make it more readable and professional. You can highlight the text you want. I will go to toolbar and I'm going to apply this color, okay? And I will make it a bit bigger. You can use toolbar to apply bold, okay? And italic. If you want to emphasize something, you can underline it. You can also change font style, okay? I'm going to make this one heading 2, and this one is just a normal text. I will make it normal text, and yeah, and this one is also heading 2, and this one as well, heading 2, and heading 2 as well. Finally, this one is heading 2. Now let's change the font size. I'll make it a bit bigger, 12. These ones 12 as well. I'm going to apply 12 to all of them. I forgot this one. You can also align your text, okay? So I'm going to make sure all of my text is left align. Yes, left align. Now I want to make my title centered. Okay, you can have also right aligned if you want. Let's go back. Now that our text is looking sharp, let's organize it further by adding bullet points and numbered lists. Organizing your text is simple in Google Docs. Just select text and click bullet point or numbered list. Okay, let's do this one as well. You can also use indent or outdent to create a sub-bullet point. Finally, we can also apply checklist in the toolbar. Next, let's make our document more visually engaging by adding images and tables. Google Docs allows you to insert imaging easily. You can either upload an image from your computer or search for the web. Let's also insert the table to organize information like project timelines or task. Okay, I will start with the image. I'm going to add here a logo on the top of the page. Let's go to insert, image, upload. And here we go. Let's make it smaller. Now I'm gonna crop the image a little bit. Let's right click on it, crop the image. Okay. Okay, let's make it a little bit bigger. All right, good. You can also insert image from the internet. Let's click search the web. I'm gonna search Google Docs logo. Okay, I found something. I'm gonna use this one. Let's select it and click insert. There we go. Let's make it smaller. Now I'm gonna delete this one and I will just stick with this one. All right. Let's also insert a table to organize information like project timelines or tasks. Let's go to insert table, and I'm gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4 columns and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows. This is task, timeline, assigned to, and status. Okay, so you can go ahead and type all the data here, but I'm going to just paste the information that I copied from my other document. So the table looks like this. Now let's adjust the layout of our document by customizing margin and page settings. Okay, let's click File and go to Page Setup. Page Setup option lets you customize your document layout. Okay, you can change the margin, page margin. I want to make it 1 inch on the top and 1 inch on the bottom. And margin for left will be 1 inch also, right will be 1 inch as well. So this is the place where we can set the margins, okay? And next, we can also decide the orientation, whether we want to have portrait or landscape wider, okay? So definitely it will be portrait. The paper size will be A4, okay? If you want, you can actually change the page color as well. Let's say I'm gonna make this color. And let's click OK to see. Yeah, if you change the page color, it will look like this, but I'm not going to change it. I will just keep it white. Okay. All right. So one more thing. This is when you want to print. Okay. If you want to have a regular paper sizes. There's also a pageless option. Unlike traditional page-by-page layout, paperless mode removes the page breaks, giving you an infinite scrolling experience. This is great for when you don't need page numbers or you're working on documents that are meant to be viewed online. So if you choose this, the page can be as wide as you want, as long as you want. There won't be any breaks. Let's go back to our traditional pages setting. Okay, let's click OK. Headers and footers are essential tools for creating a polished document layout. A header appears at the top of the page while footer is at the bottom. So let's go to Insert, Headers and Footers, and I'm going to select header. This text, and I'm gonna call this, I will have marketing. All right. Let's make it left aligned. All right. Okay, now let's insert page numbers. Okay, and let's go to more options, and here if we click here, the page number will be on the header. Okay, or if we select the second option, then it will be in the footer on the right hand side. Let's see what other options available. Okay, let's go to page numbers, more options. I'm going to have my page numbers in the footer. It's okay to be at the first page. It should start from 1 and apply. As you see, page numbers is in the footer in the right hand side. So feel free to customize the text to fit your document's needs. Google Docs collaboration tools are where it really shines. Let's explore how to share your document and adjust permissions for collaboration. One of the most powerful features of Google Docs is the ability to share documents. Click the share button and invite others to view, comment, or edit the document. So here are the three options. Viewers can only view the document, commenter can view and add comments if they want to, and the editors will have privilege to make any changes they want in the document. If you tick this box, people here will receive a notification message. You can also generate a shareable link and send it to others for easy collaboration. As the owner, I'll be inviting everyone to share their thoughts, okay? Let me click this icon to open comment section, and I'm going to add my first comment. My comment is, welcome to group project proposal. I've outlined the main goals and objectives. Please add your thoughts and suggestions. Okay, so let me open the comment section again, and here is my comment. And on the right hand side, as a collaborator, I'm going to also add a comment here. Let's click here. I will click on it, and I will say, I think we should add a section on target audience analysis for clarity. Okay, let's reply. Have our group project proposal document open. I will be also highlighting certain sections as we go along to encourage feedback, okay? So for example, I can say, feel free to highlight any areas that need more detail or clarification, okay? For example, let's say I'm gonna highlight this part. From here, I'm gonna, let me make it this color. So as you see, it is visible here. All right, and I'm gonna add another one as a collaborator. I will add one more comment here. Can we include specific deadlines for each task? This will help keep us on track. Once the comment is resolved, it is easy to mark it complete. Okay, we can simply click here. Now let's explore a feature that ensures you never lose your work. Version history. Have you ever made changes and then realized you prefer an earlier version? Google Docs allows you to review previous versions of your document and see who made edits and even restore older drafts if necessary, okay? So let's go to File, Version History, and then see Version History. And here you will see all of the version of your document. So you can go back to any version of your document. And here you can see every changes made to your document. If I want to go back to this version, I can simply select on it and click Restore this version. Okay, now I went back to the previous version. I can always switch between different versions, okay? I can even go back to very first one. If you no longer need a document, deleting it is simple. You can go to File and then move to Trash and then go to Docs home screen. Okay, this is one way. Another way is while you are in Docs, you can simply right click on the document and then click Remove. You can also delete your document from Google Drive. You can go here, right click on it and move to Trash. To wrap things up, let's explore how to download or export your document. Need to share your documents outside of Google Docs? You can easily download it in multiple formats, whether it's a Word, PDF, or something else. Let's go to File, go to Download, and download as Microsoft Word. As you see, it's downloaded. Or you can download it as Open Office format, or PDF, plain text, EPUB, Markdown, whatever you choose. And that's it. You mastered Google Docs formatting and collaboration basics. If this tutorial was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to EduHub AI for more productivity tips. Next up, we're diving into Google Sheets basics. Don't miss it. And also let us know how you plan to use Google Docs in the comments. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one.